So, the eighth rule of a private investor is always increase your investment contributions. And having understood this rule, you will see how you can increase your investment contributions and increase your capital very quickly, in a short period of time. Let me give you an example. You have made your simple financial plan, and you already started saving a certain amount of money as part of this financial plan. But there is always some additional income. You can create an additional source of income. From an additional source of income, you can invest up to 50% and build your capital faster. And so you have already created some capital. You get income every month. Perhaps some amount of money from your investments. And you may say, why should I continue investing? But understand one important thing. There is such a thing as inflation. You must understand that over the last 40 years, if you calculate the real rate of inflation, it amounted to more than 130% per year, despite the fact that the state officially declares the inflation rate of about 4 to 6% per year. Dear friends, this is not quite true. If we do the math just using the cost of essential goods and products, such as real estate, cars, you will see that the inflation amounted to more than 130% per year. So, if a person does not continue investing their money, the money starts melting. It is always necessary to invest your funds at an interest rate much higher than the average inflation. The average capital gain rate over 40 years that you chose must be higher by at least 10 to 15%. If we consider that the level of inflation over the past 40 years was about 130% per year, then you need to learn how to invest at about 150% per year over 40 years. A person who constantly increases their capital and invests part of the profits further in the growth of their capital will always stay on top in the investment business. Such person never loses money, so the eighth rule is very important. It is important not to just use these 7 rules. First, you must understand what financial independence and freedom are. Second, follow the 5 commandments of a private investor. Third, pick a financial plan. Fourth, risk diversification. Fifth, do not violate investment discipline. Sixth, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Seventh, you must study. And the 8th important rule, you need to increase your investment capital. Then this capital can be passed on to your children, who will not have to start from the same place where you or your parents started. Use these 8 rules in your daily life. Become rich. I am Andrei Khovratov. Come to our Kriptoyunit program training courses. Come to the training courses in the Academy of a Private Investor. We have a top product called 8 courses of the basic training of a private investor. This is a preparatory course to become an investment consultant. This is the course that will help you become a lifelong investor. You will always be increasing your capital without ever losing it. See you again. This has been Andrei Khovratov.